Hello, want to sound super polite in French and impress everyone? Let's ask my French friend how to do it right. Let's go. How do I say, excuse me, politely?
Excusez-moi, it works everywhere. Shops, train, awkward situation.
Pardon John, his English ain't that good. And what if I want to say, could you please?
Did she say anything?
Ah!
Pourriez-vous, s'il vous plaît? That's your polite power combo.
How do I say, I'm sorry, like, really sorry?
Je suis désolé. Bonus tip, add a sad face.
Let's say I want to ask for help.
Pourriez-vous m'aider? Very polite. Add a smile and boom, you're French.
Okay, last one. How do I say, have a nice day?
Bonne journée. Say it with flair.
Want more polite French magic? Hit subscribe and I'll bring my French friend again next week.
Abonne-toi, mon ami. You won't regret it.